Replace the ink cartridges on HP PageWide Pro 750 and 755 and HP PageWide Pro MFP 772 and 775 series printers when the ink is low or empty. Open the front door to access the ink cartridges. On the front of the cartridge that needs to be replaced, push in on the cartridge to release it, and remove it from the printer. Set the cartridge aside for recycling. For more information on recycling empty ink cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Do not touch the copper-colored ink nozzles on the ink cartridges. Remove the new cartridge from its packaging and slide it into its slot on the printer. Push in on the cartridge to lock it into place. Close the printer front door and resume printing.